Question 10. So this was requested a lot of you, so I'm going to go to this. Any of the other questions that have golden crossbones, I'm not going to go to yet because they are senior math questions, so slightly what you at the moment. It may end up confusing more if I do that. So for question 10, 2 watches, this is 2 centimeters. The materials used to make both watches have the same thickness. A is made of plastic, so just make a note, so plastic. And B has a 20-degree sector made of metal, and the rest it looks like is made of plastic of 340 degrees. The ratio of the cost of the metal and the cost of the plastic is 3 to 2. Work out the ratio of the cost of materials for A to the cost of the materials for B. Give your answer in the simplest form. Right, so we need to work out the area of watch A. So that's just going to be area equals pi r squared. I can see that's going to be pi times 2 squared is 4, so it's just going to be 4 pi. Times the price of plastic, which we don't know. And then for B, well, we're going to have 2 different areas. So we're going to have the 20-degree sector area and the 340-degree sector area. So that means we have 20 over 360 times pi times 2 squared is 4, and 340 over 360 times pi times 4. Okay. So on your calculator, you can just do 20 divided by 360 times 4. So that's going to be 2/9 pi. And then the area of the big sector is going to be 340 divided by 360 times 4, which is 34 over 9 pi. Now this represents metal. This represents the plastic part. So you've been told that there's a ratio of the cost. Let's just simplify that a bit more. So 1 part of plastic, if you divide by 2, is equivalent to 1.5 parts of metal. So 1.5 to 1. So in other words, the metal costs 1.5 times more than the plastic. So the area here is going to be 4 pi. Let's just decide that the plastic costs £1 per meter squared and the metal costs £1.50 per meter squared. So that would mean that watch A is going to be 4 pi times, because it's all plastic, it's just going to be one pound. And then for watch B, we know it's going to be 2/9 pi times, now this is the metal bit, so it's going to multiply by 1.5, and then the plastic bit is going to be 34 over 9 times 1. So this way we're working out the cost. So that's just going to stay as 4 pi. And then this is going to cost 2 divided by 9 times 1.5, which is 1/3 pi. And then 34 divided by 9, it's not going to simplify, so it's just 34 over 9 pi. So the ratio, we're going to have to add these together. So it's 4 pi to 34 over 9 plus 1/3 pi. So 34 over 9 plus 1/3 is going to be 37 over 9. We can actually cancel the pi's out here as well. So now that I have my ratio, I can see it's 4 to 37 over 9. Now, that's obviously not a very nice number to write it this way, so we're just going to multiply both sides by 9. So then I get 4 times 9, which is 36 to 37. And that's your ratio. Now this ratio is actually the same as that. It's just written a bit nicer. So 36 to 37 is the answer. I can, again, go over in detail any of this. If you're not sure, just let me know. Okay, I hope that was useful.